Hello friends. So here we are going to start this series as a series of study of rubrics, and we will pick up with common rubrics and gradually hope so it goes on a long way by doing more complicated and complex rubrics in future, more difficult ones. But first we have to study more superficial and clinically applicable rubrics so that the newcomers, the students, gain benefit out of it and start their homeopathic practice as at an early age, at an early step. Even when you all are in college, the study of this rubrics will help you to apply remedies to your families, to your friends. So this is the main motive of doing this study of rubrics. And for this I would invite Dr. Yogesh Rajorkar and Dr. Mayuresh Mahajan also. So we will together have a mutual discussion about a rubric that is frivolous. Okay, so frivolous is the rubric for today, and let me just invite them also. Yes. Dr. Yogesh. Are you there? Up with this rubric frivolous, whether it is when we study.
Hello.
So happy Teachers Day, everybody over here.
Everybody, happy Teachers Day.
So when we study a rubric, are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes.
I can hear four voices of myself. Okay, so we start with reading the grammar part of the rubric, and frivolous is an adjective. Okay, adjective means the quality of a person. Whatever he does, it will be a frivolous act. So like, hi Dr. Mayur.
Hello.
So like, I just called out Dr. Yogesh to say that at 10 o'clock be ready. He give me a call a minute prior again. So that is also his level of frivolousness. That he wants to do it, but he's not very serious about doing it.
Yes. Actually, Pallavi, he's at my place now, and he gave me a pleasant surprise that we are doing something like coming up live on this live Insta. So it's a very good.
So that's a surprise for you.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes, Pallavi, carry on. You are going good. Frivolous is an adjective. Yeah.
Yes, frivolous is an adjective, and it will be seen in every act of a person. Although he will perform the action, like a person, a boy gets married, a newly married person, he is not aware of what the wife needs and what the mother needs. Although he is trying his best to do everything, but he is doing it frivolously. He is not taking genuine or very sensitive care of how it should be done. He will get a rose for the wife and take this rose. So wife will be like, this is the way to give a rose. So this is a frivolous act, and that romanticism or that maturity is missing in a frivolous person. Or a lack of serious attitude. Feeling more jovial.
1 minute.
Yeah.
People are saying your voice is echoing. I suppose you have kept Insta Live somewhere near you. So see to it that means you should be only on this device. Another device near you may cause the echo. So see that echo is.
There is no other device.
So why it is echoing? Many people are saying echo.
Maybe I reduce the. Okay, you continue. Maybe to listen to Dr. Yogesh.
Okay, even people, you comment, are we clear? Is my voice clear? Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. 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 Right. So, frivolous, this is the rubric which we understood when we first joined HHF.
Yes.
First time we joined HHF, it was frivolous what we understood or what we first, that was the first rubric which we started applying, and the remedy which taught us this rubric means many a times a remedy explains you the rubric, many a times a rubric will lead you to the remedy. So the remedy which explains you this rubric is belladonna.
We'll go directly to the remedy, or first let us understand what is frivolous.
Yeah.
See, guys, frivolous is an attitude also.
Yeah.
Okay. As Pallavi said, na, ki it's an adjective. Means what? It's a character. It's a character means what? See, now there are so many people who are very casual in their attitude, but at their work they are very much, very sensitive. At their work they are very fastidious. At their work they are very proper. So frivolous is a through and through character. So just don't take it that lightly. Why? Because I'll tell you, when we talk about frivolous, the frivolous, it should be in its whole extent. What do you mean by whole extent? In family, he is frivolous. He doesn't. What's your? If at all she's my wife. Okay.
Wife.
If at all she's my wife, actually, what's your birthday? Birthday? What's your birthday?
You haven't remembered my
birthday.
Sorry.
This is the character in the domestic affairs. At the same time, when he's at the office or at the workplace, still if the boss asks him, you did the job at the which job? Yes, I'll be just complaining. See, now the frivolous character is at the same time with family, at the same time it is at work, at the same time he is with frivolous with friends. So the number one rubric of frivolous, a big gratitude to the one who has explored this rubric. Thank you, the master who has explained us this rubric frivolous. Casual. Khana, Pallavi, shall I continue or you are going to continue? Tu bol.
No, my voice is echoing.
See, abhi now if suppose I'm a diabetic, I won't say I'm a diabetic. A person besides me here, right side, not this left side, is diabetic. Okay, because I just can't take the word diabetic. You can take any rubric of mine, but yes, if at all my person besides me in the right side is diabetic, and jalebi, jalebi is full of sugar. It's prepared in syrup of sugars. Okay, and this guy, ठीक है यार, see, eating one jalebi cautiously is okay. Eating two jalebis cautiously, still it's okay. But now there's a full plate full of jalebi, rasgulla, and kaju katli. Sorry, my voice is watering, my mouth is watering. But still, if I don't care, I just bloody don't care. And eating kaju katli, 1/4 of the box together, and then इतना
किलो
खा लिया अरे sorry ठीक है कल से डाइट this is frivolous. Got it, my dear friends? This is frivolous, and you will find this frivolous rubric day in and day out in your practice.
Exactly.
And Pallavi, first of all, I would like to thank you that you have got such a beautiful project, I would say, of putting this HHF in Instagram live.
Yeah.
But I want my fellow homeopaths to just follow us. Just follow us and let you all know what and how we understand homeopathy. It's so beautiful, interesting, and the most last and the most important word is simple. So frivolous is a rubric which you will get in your clinics day in and day out. And Metropole, 100% you'll get this rubric.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will Mayur sir told in his life, in his whatever he does at his job, at his domestic affairs, he is frivolous, and he is also frivolous with his disease. Means you are having a disease, you are having a problem, you are having some. Of course, he said diabetes. So diabetes, okay, he can eat a pav kilo of Kaju Katlis, right? And what are you doing for diabetes, sir? That tablets, I don't like those tablets. That is why I am having jamun, because jamun is kadwa. I eat a lot of karela, and when I eat pav kilo of Kaju Katli, on top of that, I eat some sabzi of karela.
Oh my
or
God.
I take methi seeds because you know it is bitter and the bitter will cut the sweet. See how non-serious efforts he is taking towards his disease.
Effortless.
Effortless,
Casual.
non-serious, casual efforts he is taking towards his disease. That is something very, very, nowadays people are very conscious about how they should tackle the disease. They would take a specialist doctor, they would take some proper treatment, and having a proper line of treatment or mode of treatment for any disease you have. If you are having cough, if you are having any other disease, you would see to it what it is and how I should get cured of it. Taking non-serious efforts for it does also count in as a frivolous rubric.
And one, I would like to tell you the versions of the patients. Okay, it's really very interesting. The person suffering from migraine. Okay, take a person suffering from migraine, and he says, "I take a painkiller." When a physician asks, "Which painkiller?" Which painkiller? I don't know. I go to the chemist and just ask for a painkiller.
He gives me a headache tablet.
Come on! You don't know the name of the painkiller which you are taking for years together. This is something which is very peculiar, queer, rare. Focus on that. That is peculiar. That is the individuality. Sometimes, acha, I am suffering from diabetes. Acha, what is your sugar? Sugar, I don't know. Actually, I have not checked for last 7 months. Arey, come on! 7 months. You have not checked your sugar. I am suffering from blood pressure. I have not checked for since ages. Meanwhile, then you're taking the blood pressure tablet? No.
Sometimes
I take it, and sometimes the real doctor is, see, I forget. I forget. See, there is a subtle difference between dullness and frivolity. Dullness means there is a lack of reaction. But here, dullness is not the exact word. Frivolous means the physician himself will feel or herself will feel, you are so careless. You are suffering from diabetes and you don't know what is your sugar level right now. So, actually, yes. Actually, I don't check it. You know. So, see, these are the things which matters in case taking. But what happens is we just ignore and we focus on what? The urine plus, the proteins plus. Yes, they are important.
250, 270,
278,
375.
Blood pressure, migraine, whatever. But what we should consider is what is the theme of HHF. What we should consider, what we should ignore, what we should focus upon. Why Hahnemann sir had said a big gratitude to our master Dr. Samuel Hahnemann on this auspicious day. What he has said, you focus upon the man in the disease, not the disease in the man. And this is what we are doing. And this is what HHF is doing. We need to understand what is exactly the man. There are so many people who don't go to any physician, don't go to any pharmacy, and take medicines. But there are so many people who are suffering from 5 days of fever and just still they are going into this pharmacies. बुखार का गोली दे यार, कौन सा देना, कौन सा भी, क्या करने का अपने को, बुखार से ठीक होना है. So this isn't it very frivolous? People are suffering from so much pandemic disease and this guy is going to the chemist and asking for an antipyretic drug. That's all. So this is what we wanted to focus upon. Every man gives some or the other peculiar, queer, rare, strange disease, the symptoms, and we HHFians will every time. Pallavi, if I'm not wrong, you correct
Somebody
me.
says like ignore. Do you say they ignore it?
No, man, no, it's not ignorance. Then what is the rubric of ignorance? Ignorance is? Ignorance is, see, there is one difference. Indifference.
Indifference is where
Not taking it seriously, a symptom not taking it that seriously is casual. There is a bomb blast. And, sorry, chalega na? Bomb blast bole. There is a bomb blast. And the next day, the same guy goes to the same train. ठीक है यार, कभी ना कभी तो मरना है ना हलाकत में.
रोज थोड़ी होएगा blast.
So they are not worried. And there are some people who won't go by train for 15 to 20 days unless everything becomes cool and calm. So this is all about frivolity.
It is not about ignoring. It is not about neglecting. Wherein you say that is there and I don't want to look at it. I want to neglect it. That is not the thing. Here he would take non-serious attitude towards it.
Any non-serious. A person suffering from cellulitis. Now you don't understand. You should understand what should be that grave thing in the patient mind. A cellulitis patient suffering from cellulitis says, since how many days? I don't know. Actually, I didn't count it. Are counted? Naksumika patient will tell 11 o'clock, 19th September 2017. I got this swelling and I am suffering. And this guy, frivolous guy, will say, I have not counted how many days. Come on. And cellulitis is such a grave disease. It's
you
a big
will lose your feet, bloody.
And you can, there's a chance of, malum nahi. Arey, malum nahi. So this is frivolous.
You will find people asking their wives, "Kab se hai?" Bloody, it is your leg and you are asking your wife, "Kab se hai? Kab se hua hai?" So these people are frivolous.
Ek minute. So Pallavi, you continue with the session. We'll be back within some time. You go along with this session. We'll be coming back. I hope your voice is audible clearly now. You go along with the session, and after some time, we'll definitely join you. Yogesh, please continue.
Yeah. Yes, Pallavi. Pallavi started the show and pura footage to मैं खा रहा हूँ. Pallavi, please. Pallavi, please continue.
How is my voice?
For me, it is okay. People, please comment how is Pallavi's voice. Pallavi, you speak for some time.
Is it still echoing? I mean, I can hear my core voice.
No, now it is fine.
It is fine?
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
हम लोग किधर है?
No, it's still echoing your thing. आज मेरी बोलती बंद कर दी इंस्टाग्राम में.
आ जाओ. Happy Teachers Day.
हेलो, किधर है?
Happy Teachers Day.
Hi, Krishna.
क्या है सर?
Hi, happy Teachers Day to all.
Hi, Dr. Grace.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Hi, Dr. Sameer.
Hi, how are you? Happy Teachers Day.
Hi. Good.
Acha, how many people are watching this? 127, right?
Right.
233.
Alok, SKD and Dr. Krishna Kumar needed to put there some valuable words.
No,
With
value.
with respect to frivolous, please.
Frivolous.
Okay,
Yes.
listen. The main differential of frivolous is indifferent suffering.
Yeah.
So next week we are going to differentiate indifferent suffering with frivolous, which is very very important thing.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Oh,
Pallavi.
wow.
और टीचर्स डे हो और हम नहीं मिले, ऐसा हो सकता है.
कभी नहीं.
So Pallavi
नहीं
said
होगा.
it right. आज तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा, मास्टर देख रहा है. Yes. So
Yeah.
love you all
पढ़ाई
guys.
करनी पड़ेगी.
Yes, बहुत जोर से पड़ेगी.
एक रूब्रिक और जोड़ना, केयर फ्री.
केयर फ्री.
और एक हिटलेस.
Yes.
तो अभी हम लोग कंफ्यूज
और 10-15 बोलो.
अभी कंफ्यूज करके जा रहे हैं.
अगले हफ्ते मिलेंगे.
ऐसा नहीं करके रहेंगे. केयर फ्री.
See, there are two rubrics: careful of and carefree. Wait. Now these guys will make fun of me. I know that. But carefree means what? Once you take a care, and then once you feel. Now see, in this pandemic, what happened is, for 3 months, they have taken the due care about social distancing. Social distancing, applying the mask, everything, okay? But after 3 months of time, now they said, "Na, it's enough, yaar, bas." We care liya, abhi boss ho gaya, bas. This is carefree. Means what? Take the care and then become free. This is one. And I would like to add one thing, Pallavi. This is all about friendship.
Friendship.
the ones who are HHFians, they should know what is friendship. Milind Rao, our master, our mentor, has imbibed that friendship, that togetherness, that integrity, that sharing. And we expect everyone who is listening this right now, who joins HHF, should be that with a feeling of family of HHF, and we are here all together, and everyone will grow together, everyone will prosper together. This is the only mantra of HHF. So the ones who are listening to it for the first time, we all welcome you wholeheartedly, and this is the new turning point of your life, and you will just enjoy life like anything once you are in HHF.
Three things are important.
Happy Teachers Day, love you, master.
Love you, master.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Teachers Day.
मयूर ने इंग्लिश अच्छी बोली, तैयारी अभी किया था आधा घंटा पहले।
बाय हार्ट किया था मैं, बाय हार्ट।
He is not frivolous.
She knows exact rubric of frivolous. Agar you are gone.
भी समझ रहे। और अगर ना कितने लोग हैं? अच्छा 240। अगर फ्रिवलस रहना है ना तो बेलाडोना की तरह लैकेसिस जैसे नहीं रहना है, ये इसके योगेश के जैसा फ्रिवलस नहीं रहना है, सल्फर के जैसा फ्रिवलस रहना है। एकदम वेल्थ में है कि फ्रिवलस में समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए, और एचएचएफ में रहेंगे तो वो सल्फर का वेल्थ और उसके जैसे है। कोई टेंशन नहीं है, अबंडेंस है, और फिर फ्रिवलस है।
और मैं फ्रिवलस बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ, मैं आई एम वेरी सीरियस,
वेरी आर्डेंट। अरे विनो अबाउट इट। और अगर सल्फर का फ्रिवलसनेस और वेल्थ अगर समझना है तो 3 नाइस मैन के वीडियो है, सल्फर पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 देख लेना, मजा आ जाएगा।
ओके, बाय बाय।
Okay, bye bye. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much for joining in.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Bye.
Chalo, bye.